हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सब लोग कैसे हो? सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक पेन होल्डर. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So first we will take a box and cut these parts. Now let's cover the box with white paper. And also cover these flaps. Now let's put this inside to make partitions. So for that, cut slightly like this way. Now stick this inside. Now let's decorate our box. And a panda pen holder is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.